Welcome to Kanzabyte. Now, after watching and learning from those, this video is very special. In this one, we will learn how to create Telegram accounts automatically using our software. And yes, it will also automatically verifies emails, making the email verification process fully automated. If any number asks for email verification, the software will handle it automatically. So let's start the video and learn how to use our Telegram Creator tool to make both Telegram accounts automatically and easily. So after selecting website, click on config button. I am selecting here SMS activate with Telethon module, okay? After clicking config file, you will get a window like this. Here you can put your API key, and from here you can find the country and you can see country code, okay? And don't make any changes in this file. From drop down you can select particular country. I'm selecting right now this country, okay? I'm using without the max price variable, okay? If you want to use max price, you can read about it and learn how to use that, okay? Now I'm clicking on the Gmail settings. Here you have to enable the email verifications. After enabling email verification, you must add your emails in all mail sections. Here I have added 2 Gmail accounts for demo purpose. To understand how all these options work, please watch our previous videos where everything is explained in details. For now, you can copy the same setting I'm using here. Once done, you can close this email window. Now click on ADB server button and make sure you keep LDPlayer running in the background, just like I'm doing here. Next, click on the scan devices. You will see your emulator listed here. It shows that it's online and also displays your emulator ID. Click on copy emulator ID, then click on emulators button. Now paste the copied emulator's ID into the file, save it, and then close the file. Now click on Start Board button. This will open the launcher window where all connected emulators will be displayed. In our case, we have just one emulator available. If you have added multiple emulators IDs, the tool can run them all simultaneously, enabling bulk account creations. I will show how to use these multi-emulator setup in next video. For now, click on Emulator ID button shown here. This will launch a new terminal window where the account creation process will begin automatically. You will be able to follow the entire process live on this terminal. Now it has patched the balance from my account and it is showing in this terminal. Next, it is trying to get a number. As you can see, it successfully got the one number. It will now begin the account creation process and everything is fully automated. You can watch these steps happening on the screen. I'm also using actually the residential proxy through Proxyfier, which is running in the background. Watch the previous videos to learn how to configure and use proxies. This particular number did not ask for email verification. It simply sent the login code. Please note that some numbers don't require email verification for account creation, while some numbers will ask email verification. Later in this video, I will show an example where email verification is required, so keep watching. It received the login code and successfully created the Telegram account. After creating Telegram account, it is trying to create now Telethon based session. Now it is created Telethon session successfully and also enabled 2-step verification password. Now it has moved on to create the next account. I will stop the process by closing this terminal. Okay, otherwise it will keep creating the next Telegram account. So I'm simply closing it. Now let's change the country. This time I will use a Canada number for demonstration. I'm also not using max price option here. If you want to use, you can learn about it from our website and the PDF, okay? After selecting country, I'm browsing this, and make sure you also switch to a Canada proxy inside the emulator, okay? Using Proxify, as I'm using Proxify, you can use any application, okay? But here I'm using Proxify and I'm changing the proxy to the Canada proxy, as I have already done here. Now start the board, and from the launcher, run the account creator terminal again. If a number is not found right away, the tool will keep retrying until it successfully gets one. This is a new feature added to save your time. As you can see, it fetched a number on the second attempt and started the account creation process. This time, Telegram asks us to add an email and verify, so it will automatically select a Gmail account from our list, as we have 2 Gmail accounts in our emails.txt file. Then it fetched the verification code from the email received from Telegram and continued the process. Hence, you can see email verification automation is done successfully. We have received the login code and the tool fetched and filled it automatically. So the Telegram account was created with full email verification automation. Now, as you know, it starts the session creation process. Then it will create the Telethon session and enable two-step verification, as we have enabled two-step verification password. Okay? I'm closing the terminal here, otherwise the tool will keep making new accounts. Now you can use the account checker options to check if the created account is alive. Since we generated Telethon session, let's run the Telethon check card. You will see our latest account is active and live. And you can see here my previous accounts as well, okay? This is our freshly created Telethon session, okay? And it is active and live. And created sessions will be saved in the sessions folder. If you go to the sessions folder, you can see Telethon folder, as we have created Telethon sessions, so those created sessions will be present in the Telethon folder, okay? If you created the Pyrogram session, then the sessions will be present in the Pyrogram session. For now, we have created in Telethon, so here are the sessions, okay? Here are some of my previous sessions also available, okay? Now, you can go back. Go to the history folder. Here you can see all history.csv file. Here you can see all SMS activation attempts, both success and failures. If your number failed, the reason will be saved. Successfully created account are also saved. You can see here in all history file. In the good history file, you will see full account details, including the 2FA password. And successfully created sessions numbers will be saved in the Telethon phone.csv file. If you created Pyrogram session, the number will be saved in the Pyrogram phone.csv file. Since we created a Telethon session, the number is saved in Telethon phone.csv file. Now you can simply copy the number and the session from this file and use it with any tool that supports the module. All of our Telegram marketing tools supports Telethon sessions and some support Pyrogram sessions too. That's why our account creation supports both formats. In the next video, I will show how to log in using a saved session. How to use this session to log in with Telegram app, and I will show how to run multiple emulators with multi-threading for both Telegram account registration. Thanks for watching this video.